In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to embed a PDF in a Canva website. While Canva websites don't let you upload a built-in PDF viewer directly, you can still display a PDF beautifully by embedding it through a link, and the quickest way to do that is with Canva's Embed app. Start by putting your PDF somewhere online. Upload the finalized file to a reliable host such as Google Drive or Dropbox. A simple, clean file name helps with clarity, and it's best to upload the exact version you want visitors to see, since the link points to that file. Once it's uploaded, adjust the sharing so anyone with the link can view. This is important. If the file is private or restricted, the viewer on your site will show an error or a blank box. View permission is all you need. You do not have to allow editing. With that set, copy the share URL for the PDF. Now switch over to Canva and open the website design where you want the PDF to appear. Make sure you're on the correct page or section of your layout. On the left sidebar, click Apps. In the search field, type Embed, then open the Embed app. You'll see a space to paste a link. Paste the PDF URL you copied a moment ago, then click Add to Design. Canva will generate a live viewer right on your page, so your visitors can scroll the document without leaving your site. Select the embedded frame and resize it to fit your layout. Drag the corners to adjust the width and height, and use Canva's alignment guides to keep things tidy. Leave breathing room around the frame so text and other elements don't feel cramped. If your PDF is long, consider giving the viewer a taller space so people can read comfortably without excessive scrolling. When the placement looks good, it's time to publish. Click Share, then choose Publish Website. Canva will build your site and make the embedded PDF available to anyone who visits. If something doesn't look right after publishing, double-check that the link you used is correct and that the file's permission is still set to anyone with the link can view. That's it. By hosting your PDF, grabbing the shareable link, and using Canva's Embed app, you'll have an interactive PDF viewer right inside your website, ready for your audience to read.